Naturals tutorial on box braids. I've never done box braids in my hair. I put some little hair jewelry in yesterday morning. I like the way it turned out, especially for my first time. It is not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but for my first time, never doing them before, I think it came out pretty good. So let's see how long they last. Have a good day. Okay, so this is after taking all of my braids down. Ugh, look at all that buildup. But surprisingly, not a lot of my hair came out, which is good. I tried to make sure I really packed on the moisture before I braided it, and it lasted me a full 2 weeks, which I'm actually surprised about. So, the after. R.I.P. to all my hair. Excuse the toilet. That's a lot of hair. Okay, time to wash this hair. And I'm going to definitely put a deep conditioner in it, and I'll probably let it sit in my hair for a full 24 hours. And then, just wear my hair up in a bun, come home tomorrow, and wash it out. So, I'm getting ready to wash my hair, so let's see how much hair I lose. Okay, so, I just got out of the shower and washed my hair. Feels so much better. My scalp's nice and clean. Feels like it can breathe. It's very light. But I'm not gonna lie, like I was getting really, really concerned about halfway through my shower. I know that your hair sheds, of course, when you have it in braids or any kind of a protective style where you're not allowing your natural hair to go through the natural shedding process. However, and let me also say that hair literally freaks me out. So, look what came out of my head. Look what came out of my head. Look at all that hair. Look at that. I could probably make a wig out of this. This is crazy to me. Gross. Ew, I'm gonna have to change that back. That's so gross. I usually just put my hair on the shower wall, but there was so much, it was just literally sliding down. Ooh. Maybe it is a little thinner. This side looks better. This side is always my thin side. I don't know why, because I lay on this side. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of freaked out at the amount of hair that came out, so I'm going to go ahead and detangle it, put a deep conditioner in it, some oil in it, and let my hair rest, because after 2 weeks, it definitely needs some TLC. But my scalp feels so much better. There's no more product buildup. Scalp's nice and clean. Just feels so much better. So, I'm not bald-headed, but that hair was definitely alarming. So, I'll definitely try it again someday, that's for sure. I really like the style, but holy crap, that was a lot of hair. Another thing that I would recommend you guys do is Take whatever oil of your choice and make sure you guys give yourself a scalp massage. Kind of wakens up those blood vessels and all that other jazz. So not only that, but it feels incredibly good. So oil, and I'm going to put my deep conditioner in. I'm using the ORS olive oil. Using the ORS olive oil deep conditioner. I'm going to put that in. I'm going to detangle. And then I'm going to put my hair up because I'm going to let it sit overnight at least, if not for 24 hours. So scalp massage, detangle, and leave it alone. Leave your hair